Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I wanted to show you is what I purchased at Wayfair. I really love shopping on that website. So this is the ottoman. It's an outdoor sofa set. And the couch. And it comes with all these pillows. I left the plastic on it because it's kind of winter time right now, and I'll take them off for the summer. The only thing that you have to do when you do purchase furniture from Wayfair is just put it together yourself, but it wasn't that bad. And the other little thing that I purchased was this candle. It's a lantern with a flameless candle. That's what the inside looks like. I thought it went well with this sofa. And these two chairs, I purchased them at Walmart. This rug I also purchased at Walmart. So what I did is I cleaned up my back lanai. I put the sofa with the ottoman. And I have two chairs. And for this sofa, it's like it's wicker, but it's like a plastic wicker. It's coated. It's very strong and tough because I'm really pressing kind of hard. Very nice. I'm really glad I bought it. I forgot what I paid for it. I know it wasn't much. But just go to wayfair.com and look around. They really have some nice quality items. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. And I just wanted to show you my sofa that I purchased on wayfair.com. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.